Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide your Outlook recipients. Alright, so you want to get yourself properly signed in for you to know how to achieve this. So head over to your Google Chrome browser or any browser of your choice and then just simply type in Microsoft Outlook. Go through all of the processes I would need you to get yourself properly signed in so you can learn how to hide your Outlook recipients. Now, set up your account by clicking on creating an account or just going towards typing in your email address or phone number. When you do that, click on next and then go through all of the process of getting yourself properly signed in to your Microsoft account. When you've done that, you would appear to a page that looks like this. So this is what your Microsoft Outlook would look like. All right, have you gotten here? I'll be showing you how to hide your Outlook recipients. Remember that Outlook doesn't have a button called hide recipients. Instead, you hide recipients by using the BCC field. Anyone who is added to a BCC field receives the email, but their email address is invisible to all other recipients. All right, so to hide your recipients in Microsoft Outlook, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Outlook like we've already done. And when you're done, just quickly go to the email option. All right, when you head over there, click on the mail option to take you to this page, then click on new email because we're going to be sending a new mail. Now, having clicked on that, you have the two option, or where you want to send this mail to. So just input your this is what your name looks like. All right, over there on your mail. When you're done, you want to click on the BCC field. You click on that and then a field will be created for BCC. So type in those you want to send this mail to. Then on the BCC field, add every other person whose account you do not want to be visible. All right, so you just add all of them over there. When you're done, add the subject of your mail. Having done that, just type in the mail you want to send, and when you're done, just head over here and click on send at the top button over here where you see the send. When you're done, every email address that you add or every recipient that you add under BCC would receive the mail, but their email addresses would not be visible to the other recipients that are in CC. All right, so this is how you can simply hide your Outlook recipients. So remember, we went to new email. All right, this page appeared to us, and then we clicked on BCC. A new field was created. We added the recipients we wanted to send mails to on BCC that we want to hide their emails, and then we clicked on send. This is how you can simply hide your Outlook recipients in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to hide your Outlook recipients. Until next time, bye for now.